an end to all these speculations, the government has appointed Lieutenant General Upen Dwivedi, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, and current Vice Chief of Indian Army as the next Chief of Indian Army. He'll take charge on the afternoon of 30th June. The same day, the current Chief, General Manoj Pandey, is retiring. Remember, General Manoj Pandey was given an extension of 1 month in a highly surprising move at a time when there were strong indications that Lieutenant General Dwivedi would take charge after his retirement. This also resulted in speculations about a change in the line of succession, with several possible names being suggested. However, on Tuesday, an official notification confirmed Lieutenant General Dwivedi's appointment. Lieutenant General Dwivedi was commissioned into the infantry of Indian Army on 15th December 1984. He is an alumnus of Sainik School Rewa, the National Defense College, and the US Army College. Lieutenant General Dwivedi has also undergone courses at the DSSC Wellington and the Army War College Mo. In addition, he was conferred Distinguished Fellow in the prestigious NDC equivalent course at USAWC in the USA. The officer holds an MPhil in Defense and Management Studies and 2 master degrees in Strategic Studies and Military Science. The government has adhered to seniority principle in appointing Lieutenant General Dwivedi, and his appointment comes at a time when India remains locked in military confrontation with China even after 4 years since the deadly Galwan clash in eastern Ladakh. On the other hand, despite a ceasefire understanding, infiltration from Pakistan continues and has led to multiple terror incidents in Jammu area. Lieutenant General Upen Dwivedi, who has served as a GOC in C of the Northern Command, has extensive experience dealing with both China and Pakistan, which could be instrumental in addressing the current challenges and the situations. Several rounds of commander-level talks have taken place under the guidance of Lieutenant General Dwivedi. Similarly, he is well aware of modern-day challenges in hot areas like Rajouri and Poonch. The new chief will have the shared responsibility of making the Indian Army Atmanirbhar, which is also the approach of Indian government at this point in time, with stability at the borders as top priority. Lieutenant General Dwivedi is known for his push into leveraging technology and high-end devices. It will be interesting to see as to how he deals with current challenges and situations in Indian Army.